Tirin Chindangabe Se Junyin Gongdu Chazu Shidi Chegeto, America Jasa Washington to Tenshi Chepe, Gejibe de Legu Kang Tsogantu, Pedun la Jabjota Single Chichi Nankin, America Chizi Tungji Charo, Richard Holbrooke Tambatini Kiseje la, Chedu Tan Jedingi, Zegota de Shukudi Nansung. Jedingi Zegute to Kushe Tamba Holbrooke Kunda, Katie Martin Chebim Nantopatan, Consochogi Mise Kutab, Gazu Gyari Rinpoche Chone, Tamba Holbrooke, the Rumpene Sha Shigube Kapda Tun, Cheto Sashin Nambe Sanje Yuba Meki Shetanshi, Tamba Teniji Kunda Katie Martin La, Tendeki Susan Nansomata Chepchi, Inge to Kushe Tambate, Pedun the Debe Teche La, Jesu Yirangi Tengutan, Natushu Nansong.
First of all, thank you very much for being here. This is a very intimate, small gathering, but it is very important for the Tibetan people and especially for me. I know that Ambassador Holbrooke's passing away is, of course, the biggest loss to you. But for us, Tibetans, and for me also, it was a great loss. He was a friend, mentor, and it was very special. And I just wanted to share, I don't want to take too much of time, I know you have to leave, but I just wanted to share a few intimate, let's say, relation that he had with His Holiness. I think he's one of the very few close friends who cared, but who really also at the times was quite blunt and sometimes almost harsh even with His Holiness.
Jesu Tedar Pugeto de Dangre Nanchung.
Tunanangi mi Mangoshiori. Inaya Ambassador Holbrooke, Nandu Charo number de Moni Shenel Howard chick. Papa Stag going Chambuche, Howard Yana Suya, Yawachingi Inza, Nandu Tanda Puyegi, that Devecola, Pinjing Nandu that Chirogi, Chitoguna, Galum Mansho chick, Nanduka, Junior Shui Devil. She said, Jana Shunda Devache, the Tomi, Yangumbuchegi, Kunshire, Inaya Pen and Devache in a Cheta, Penangata, Shusma, Penachi, Pada, Yamdo to Soche, any Pinjing of the Sada Chair, and the Kusami, Mintola, Jana Shun Toma, and they get that the one go to the Kabla, some ships have a chick time. The egg is some jet Hamadelani, Chick Javi, Kang said the Takumbajan, the those governors Jamapa, DJ, some much at the Park Conchaje.
Mise Kusav Kosu Rinpoche Choke, Moju Sunchen Nambeche, Tamba Richard Holbrooke Kunda, Katie Martin Ki, Kongi Kunda Richard Holbrooke, to number Kunto, Permitan Konsajem Chimbu Chola, to Zewa Chimbu Yubata, Gon Americation the Togen Shebatan, Yana Ari Chisi Leguna Togen Sheba. 대신 계속나 아메리카 구석기 투겐소 가리셰베이야 페드엔테 토나 르엔 남야메라 자나기 구석렌데 제메오카 제린나 페드엔콜 카인 세메네야 무엇을 제메오카 트위터도 페드엔네로 나기 베고 디즈나송.
He loved the people of Tibet, he loved His Holiness, and he loved you. Wherever we traveled and whatever job he held, from ambassador to Germany to special representative for Afghanistan, Pakistan, Tibet was always in his heart, but more than that, it was always among his talking points to world leaders. I have sat with him facing the foreign minister of China and heard Richard bring up the subject of Tibet, which was not the subject that the Chinese most wanted to talk about. But Richard felt that it was the duty of a real friend, and he considered himself a friend of both Tibet and China, to speak truths that perhaps they did not want to hear. And it's no secret that Richard felt that the middle way was the right way for Tibet. He feared violence against the people of Tibet, and therefore...
Kushek Tamba Richard Holbrooke ko Tsushu Rin, Ngugan Zingyong Dan Zongdi, Geje Yugana Amerike Shungde Kuzam Nambo So, Jigir Nisho Kitene Sensu Tumbe Chale Na Yola, Labato Shidongubje Kuju Kunge Lor, Sha Yuruki Bosni Jagab Na, Miri Chuzo Kab, Tamba Tingi Ta Sweden Jagab Jisilu, Kal Bil Nami Ne, Bosni Shoka War, Nangdigi Patum Nande, Shiri Nambe Jejete, Geje To Ngajo Tangunji Champuchung Yola, Lote Nobe Shide Sengda Sheginki, Yumi Tenshu Kongsu, Kushek Tamba Richard Holbrooke Tenshu Kongsu Pe Yola, Pedun To Kongi Jabyo Sedun Nambe Shingsote, Tadayang Amerike, Chelsea Minetu, Shugyen Tumar Yubekor, Mise Kuzab Kasu Rinpoche Shoki Ngunjinangto. Gyasa Washington the Tenshi Chepe, Geje Pedun Legu Kangi Tsogane, Asia Rawanlundi Kangi Sagoba Tundunam Yegi Nezu Pugu.
Which I hope you will visit, Nadia, as well as your family and all of you. So thank you for this great honor. I accept on behalf of Richard, and I know that he's somewhere, he knows he's being honored. They say that only those who are not remembered die. So Richard is very much alive.